Hello, here we are, week 4, extra 4. So we're past the halfway mark. Thanks so much to all of you who have been really diligent about turning in work. Um, this week, assignments not completed in week 3 will be marked as a 0. So let's make sure you get those completed. Again, the good news is if they get marked as 0, missing, then all you have to do is complete them and I will grade them. There is no penalty for turning it in past week 3. So I'm just marking them missing, which gives a 0, so that you are aware of what lessons are missing. So let's get started with week 4. Here we are, ionic bonds. Bonds are a way that atoms join together. So let's click on week 4. Remember to do the discussion post, okay? It's 10 points. So first click on the discussion and take that discussion as far as your mind will let you with a good, proper answer. Then there is an ionic bond video, 2 of them. There is an ionic bond note taker. So please open this note taker and take notes on the 2 videos, video 1, video 2, and questions or something new you learned. If you print it out, you can edit right on here on the computer, okay? So, but I think printing it out will be easier. Otherwise, you have to go back and forth from the note taker to the video. And that just takes a few steps. If you need some printed out, let me know. I'll print them out for you. Then, after you watch the 2 videos, do the note takers. I don't have a quiz this week, but I have a crossword puzzle. And it just says complete the crossword puzzle, which is next. Let's hit next, see if that's, there we go. And here it pops up, student ionic crossword. So there are the clues, and you just have to unscramble the word, and there's the definition for what the word is, okay? There is a word bank also down here, okay? Pay attention that here, let's see, for this one, polyatomic ion, that is 2 words, but they're all in the crossword puzzle, they're joined together. There is no space in between them. Same here with like ionic compound. There's no space in between them on the puzzle. So, these numbers are a little bit hard to see for some reason, the 1s, 2s, 3s. I'm not sure why it's formatted like that. But unscramble the words, use the word bank to help you, and read the definitions. That's the main thing, get to know the definitions, okay? So, there you go. That's it for week 4. We have school 3 days this week. The teachers go Thursday also. We have meetings. And then Friday's a day off. So I have shortened the workload a little bit. And here's the good thing about that. It's a perfect opportunity for you to catch up on any missing assignments from weeks 1, 2, or 3. All right, have a great week.